Hi, you. Yes, you. I don't know you. You don't know me. Still, if you clicked on this video, if you've come across this video, welcome. This message is meant for you. All I want to say through this video is just let go. Jaane do. Whatever is consuming your energy, whatever is pushing you down, just let go. The power of let go, just jaane do. Stop holding this thing. It could be anything. Just stop holding on to it. It could be anything. Maybe a rejection, maybe a failure, maybe a relationship, maybe toxic friends, anything. But just let go. Learn the power of let go. Just learn the power of let go. If it's meant to be, it will come across to you. Otherwise, just start saying to yourself, start feeling this thing that you are whole. You are whole within yourself. Just stop thinking this thing ki if this is something I'll not get it, that I'm nothing. No, you are everything in yourself. You are the universe. I mean, you deserve it. You deserve the every right, the every abundance, the every happiness. So stop saying it to yourself that if this is something I'll not get it, then I'm nothing. No, you are everything, okay? Another thing is learn to be alone. Learn to be alone. It has so much power in it. Just tell me one thing. If you'll not love yourself, how will you expect somebody to love you? If you'll not give yourself enough respect, then how will you expect other person to respect you? Start respecting yourself. Start spending some time with yourself. I mean, learn to be alone. If you know how to be alone, how to enjoy your own company, then you don't need anybody else. And I think this is the lesson that we all should learn, that we all कि हम आए भी अकेले थे और जाना भी अकेले ही है. It's good to be friends. It's good to have a partner who can just understand us. It's good to have family members who understand us, support us. It's so important to learn to enjoy your own company. I think yes, that's all. I don't want to exceed this video by saying whatever I wanna say. These were two messages that actually came into my mind. That just learn the power of let go. I mean, jaane do. If it's meant for you, it will come to you. Otherwise, you are whole within yourself. And number two, learn to be alone. It's so important. It's so important. Then only you will understand your value. अपनी वैल्यू कुछ समझो. दूसरा भी आपको रिस्पेक्ट तभी करेगा, आपकी वैल्यू तभी समझेगा जब वो जानता होगा कि आप अपनी वैल्यू जानते हो. अगर आप नहीं जानते तो वो किसी भी वैल्यू पे आपको रखें, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Know your value. Just know your worth. I think yeah, that was all. Please take it as a sign. And till then, take care. Keep manifesting positive things in your life. And lots of love.